Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can change the background color of Aveva E3D screen. The current color is gray and you can change this color manually as per your own requirement. For changing the color, we have to click on view and click on current settings, and you can see here the view setting open here, and here we have background. Click on the gray color here, and here you can change the color which you like the most. Select, then cancel this one, apply. So now the background color of E3D skin is changed. So in this way you can change any background color of Aveva E3D.